sign it and get it back to me ASAP.
Space test group needs a computer. ASAP.
Not at the moment, no.
At the moment of your death, of course.
You know, the day before she killed herself, she said she wanted to meet me.
Gotta make some calls, Gregory. I'll be RB.
You know what? I'm just gonna go get some cupcakes. BRB.
Which FYI means, by the way, this is supposed to be shopping time.
To mention the slang BTW.
I know Nick will be back soon.
Hi. Andy?
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
In my opinion, you're lucky to be sitting here today.
Will you please forgive me?
Say you wouldn't take a promotion, let me know.
Let me know if you want to grab a coffee or something.